In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the GoDaddy Coming Soon page, updated for 2025. If you've recently set up a website with GoDaddy and noticed that your visitors are greeted by a Coming Soon page instead of your actual website, don't worry. I'm here to guide you through each step to ensure that your website is live and visible to the world. Let's get started. First, open your favorite web browser and navigate to GoDaddy's official website. Once you're there, look in the top right corner for the Sign In option if you're not already logged in. Use your credentials to access your account. If you've enabled two-factor authentication, you'll need to complete those steps as well. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on your GoDaddy dashboard. Here you're going to look for the Manage button. It's typically next to your domain name or under the My Products section, depending on your account layout. By clicking Manage, you're accessing the main settings for your website. After you click Manage, you'll see a list of your sites. If you have multiple domains, make sure you select the correct one that's currently displaying the Coming Soon page. Click on your site's name to open its specific dashboard. This is crucial because each domain can have different settings and you want to ensure you're modifying the right one. Now that you're in your site's specific dashboard, scan for the View Site option. Clicking this link allows you to see what your site currently looks like to the public. It's a good time to verify that you're indeed seeing the Coming Soon page. Next, it's time to tweak the settings to go live. Head over to the Settings menu, usually found in a tab or a sidebar. Clicking on Settings will open a comprehensive list of options you can modify for your site. Here's the final step and arguably the most important one. You need to publish your site. Somewhere within the settings, you should see a Publish option. Clicking Publish will make your site visible to everyone. GoDaddy will run some checks and, within moments, replace that default Coming Soon page with your actual site. If you encounter any prompts or warnings during this process, read them carefully and proceed as required. Once you've published your site, navigate back to a blank tab or browser window and revisit your domain. With any luck, you'll see your website in all its glory instead of that pesky Coming Soon message. Congratulations! You've successfully taken your GoDaddy website from a landing page to being live for all to see. If you still encounter issues or have any questions, consider reviewing GoDaddy's extensive help guides or reaching out to their support team for assistance. Thanks for joining me, and happy website launching!